Hi everybody, my name is April Trossel. You will see that I'm sitting in my bedroom because it is the only place in my house where one of my four children will not be bothering me. So hopefully we can make it through this recording without somebody banging on the door. Anyway, I was born in Baltimore, Maryland, but I live in Hanover, Pennsylvania now. By the way, that's potato chips. That's what we're famous for. I live here with my husband and four kids and a whole bunch of animals that they always bring home. My undergrad degree is in elementary education, and I taught third grade for a while. After that, I worked with my ex-husband, well, husband at the time, but now he's my ex-husband, in the business that he owned. I then decided that I was going to change careers and sort of use my degree and pursue a career in social work. My first position as a caseworker was in a psychiatric rehab program. After that, I worked as a discharge planner and hospice liaison at Manor Care, which is a skilled nursing facility. After that, I spent the next several years working as a service coordinator, overseeing services for the IDD population. In that role, I actually got to monitor the services and the providers and reported directly to the state to make sure that the agencies were doing what it was that they were supposed to be doing. After that, got remarried, had a couple more kids, took a break for a few years, and stayed home with the kids. And I actually just went back to work a couple weeks ago, and I'm working as a blended case manager at SAM Inc., which is all over Pennsylvania and Delaware. I actually started working on my MSW back in 2009 and almost finished it. And then I had to stop, but I'm now working on it again. Unfortunately, I have to start over from the beginning because too much time has passed, but that's okay. I'm not super excited about repeating all these courses, but I am very excited to be starting at Widener University. I was originally at Shippensburg, and the program was really new, so I'm excited to be at a university that's established and has a really great, well-known program. So anyway, thank you for listening, and I look forward to working with all of you, and good luck and have a great semester. Bye.